Replacing windows is a significant investment in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. If you're considering window replacement in Taylor, TX, avoiding common pitfalls can save you time, money, and unnecessary stress. Below, we explore the most frequent mistakes homeowners make during window replacement and how to steer clear of them. Neglecting to evaluate your needs. One of the most common mistakes is failing to assess your specific requirements before starting the project. Every home is unique, and your window replacement should reflect your property's architecture, local climate, and your lifestyle. Consider factors such as energy efficiency. Does your home need better insulation? Look for double or triple pane windows with low E coatings. Aesthetics. Choose windows that complement your home's style, whether modern, traditional, or eclectic. Functionality. Think about how often you'll open the windows or if you need specific features like tilt-in designs for easy cleaning. Skipping this step can result in windows that don't meet your needs or preferences, leading to regret later. Choosing the wrong window type. Selecting the wrong type of window for your home is another frequent misstep. For example, casement windows may be ideal for ventilation but might not suit a traditional home aesthetic. Picture windows provide excellent views but lack functionality in terms of airflow. Ensure you research different window styles and their pros and cons. Consulting a local expert in Taylor can provide valuable insight into what works best for homes in your area. Overlooking energy efficiency rating. Taylor's climate can range from hot summers to cool winters, making energy efficiency a top priority. Many homeowners, however, choose windows based solely on appearance or price, ignoring energy ratings. Look for windows with Energy Star certification. U factor measures insulation ability, lower values are better. Solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, indicates how much heat from sunlight the window blocks, lower is better for hot climates. Investing in energy-efficient windows might cost more upfront but will save you money in the long run through lower utility bills. DIY installation without proper skills. Window installation is not a typical DIY project unless you have significant experience. Incorrect installation can lead to issues like drafts, water leaks, and structural damage. Hiring a professional window installer in Taylor ensures the job is done correctly and often comes with warranties for added peace of mind. Pros also know local building codes and regulations, ensuring compliance. Focusing only on cost. It's tempting to go for the cheapest option, but focusing solely on price often leads to inferior materials and workmanship. Cheap windows might fail prematurely, costing you more in the long term. Balance cost considerations with quality and reliability to get the best value for your investment. Not considering long-term maintenance. Some homeowners overlook the maintenance requirements of their chosen windows. For instance, wooden frames require regular painting or staining. Aluminum windows are durable but may not offer the best insulation. Choose materials like vinyl or fiberglass if you want low-maintenance, durable options that stand up to Taylor's climate. Ignoring warranties. Windows are a significant investment, and ignoring warranty details is a mistake you can't afford to make. Ensure your windows and installation come with solid warranties that cover defects and performance issues. A reliable warranty gives you confidence and protects your investment. Not vetting contractors properly. Selecting the right contractor is crucial for a successful window replacement. Avoid these mistakes. Choosing based on price alone. Hiring without checking references. Skipping a written estimate. When vetting contractors in Taylor, look for certifications, reviews, and experience. A local contractor familiar with Taylor's building codes and climate will be better equipped to handle your project. Ignoring timing and preparation. Homeowners often underestimate how much preparation is required for window replacement. Clear the area around your windows, including furniture and decorations, to allow installers to work efficiently. Also, consider the timing of the project. Aim for mild weather conditions to avoid delays. Failing to budget for unexpected costs. Unexpected issues, like damaged window frames or structural problems, can arise during replacement. Set aside a contingency budget to cover unforeseen expenses and avoid financial strain. Final thoughts. Avoiding these common mistakes ensures a smoother, more successful window replacement experience in Taylor. Take time to evaluate your needs, choose the right materials and contractors, and plan thoroughly. With careful consideration, your new windows will enhance your home's energy efficiency, beauty, and comfort for years to come. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, reach out to a trusted local professional in Taylor to guide you through the process. They'll help you make informed decisions and ensure your project is completed to perfection.